Last week I ordered a pitcher rinser off of Espresso Parts, and today we're going to be installing it in a NSF stainless steel table. Alright, so here it is. Ordered from Espresso Parts on Sunday and it came in like 2 days. I'm in California, so it took 2 days to come from, I think they're in Washington. Anyways, it comes with a pan and drip tray, spray head assembly, a 3/8 inch water inlet. You don't have to use that if you're plumbing it in with a braided hose. I'm going to be using a flow jet, so I'll have to use that guy. The drain assembly and a barbed drain fitting. Alright. Comes with the drip tray assembly. This is where you attach your drain hose. And the 3/8 inch fitting. Cool. So right as I'm finishing up my pour over, the mailman comes and drops off this guy. It's a refractometer from also Cold Brew, and I can't wait to share it with you guys in another video. Alright, so the pour over is done, but I wanted to share with you guys the tools that I'm going to be using. I'm going to use a power drill and my Makita jig saw that my wife got me for my birthday, and some bimetal jigsaw blades and hole dozers. I wasn't sure how big of a hole I was going to need, so I went and got the one with multiple sizes. That way I can just start with a small one, and if I need to get bigger on the holes for the pitcher rinser, the drain holes, then I could just move up to the bigger size if I needed to. Alright, here it goes. 2-inch Makita hole dozer. This is the drain hole where that's supposed to go. Just want to make a quick confirmation to see that it's going to fit. Perfect. Alright, so the holes look mostly clean. On the top side it's pretty flat, but on the underside there are some burrs that I want to make sure I get filed down, because I don't want to crazy. I don't want to tear any of the rubber gaskets that are going to be butting up against the hole. Man. Alright, so this fits, but I needed to drill an even bigger hole to get this to fit. Alright, so that's the nice perfect hole from the hole dozer. And these are my sorry jigsaw skills. hooked up here. It's the Espresso Parts pitcher rinser knock box. Underneath you can see the drain hose, just going into a bucket for now. And this is the water line in, which is connected to the flow jet, which is pumping from a 5-gallon water bottle. Let's see if it works. So the pressure isn't bad. Could definitely be stronger. I think I'm going to have to install an accumulator just to keep the pressure consistent. Flow jets are supposed to be 40 psi, but I think because of the system it might be much lower than that currently. Alright, that's it for this installation. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I'll include some links for some of the fittings as well as the parts themselves. Alright, have fun.